Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check Thunderbolt 3 or 4, BIOS eGPU settings, and any manufacturer limits. This prevents wasted purchases. Once done, pick an external GPU enclosure that fits your chosen GPU and supplies sufficient wattage. Make sure the card physically fits and the PSU meets peak draw. Also assemble the cables and any adapter. Having correct connectors avoids delays. If your laptop has a proprietary port, verify adapters early so you can proceed without interruptions. You power down and unplug your laptop, then place components on an anti-static surface to avoid damage. Carefully seat the GPU into the enclosure PCIe slot, tighten mounting screws, and attach the PSU's 6/8-pin power cables. This ensures stable power delivery under load. Once assembled, connect the enclosure to your laptop with the Thunderbolt 3 or 4 cable. Then boot and enter BIOS to enable any eGPU or external graphics settings. This lets the system recognize the new hardware during startup. You should install the latest drivers from the GPU vendor first, then restart so the OS binds the correct driver. This step is crucial for stability and performance. Once running, launch a benchmark or a GPU-intensive app to verify throughput and watch temperatures and power behavior. Make adjustments to fan profiles or enclosure placement if needed. If the GPU is not detected, make sure Thunderbolt authorization is enabled. The BIOS eGPU toggle is on, firmware is updated, and the cable and PSU connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.